Hey, this is Nick. In this video, I'll talk a little bit about Amazon Bound School and why you should consider joining. So what is Amazon Bound School? To make it as simple as possible, it's an accountability coaching program that's going to take you from where you are now to confidently excelling at your Amazon interviews. In this program, I'll guide you through your Amazon interview journey from feeling overwhelmed to getting an offer in hand at one of the toughest companies in the world to get into. Over the years, I've worked with more than 5,000 customers, and 67% of them have been hired by Amazon compared to the average success rate of less than 10%. Just a few quick wins with the names removed for confidentiality. I wanted to reach out with some good news. My loop was successful and I've been offered the role. Firstly, thank you again for all your help and guidance. I'm happy to share that it resulted in an inclined vote and offer. I wanted to express my deep gratitude to you for the amazing content you are providing. I cleared my final loop and am awaiting for a final match from Amazon. It has been long from last mail. How are you? Just to update that I've been just on board at Amazon. Hope you're doing well. I wanted to say thank you again for the incredibly helpful guidance. I'm excited to share that I've received an offer. Thank you for your kind words and good wishes. I completed my call today. They are moving forward with an offer and they will open a new role by tomorrow. I could keep going, but I hope it's clear. This type of structure and accountability wins. This program isn't flashy. It's not filled with hype or fluff. It just works. It takes you from I think I can do it to I got the offer. And on top of the structure, Amazon Bound School is also a community. This means live Q&A sessions and weekly office hours with me, peer support from other driven Amazon candidates like you, live hot seat coaching sessions, and direct access to me. I'll answer your questions in posts, videos, and DMs. This isn't one of these courses where after you sign up, you get handed off to a community manager. I'm here every day responding, coaching, and pushing you forward. I've been doing this for years. Before building this program, I worked for Microsoft and Amazon for a combined 20 years. At Microsoft, I was as appropriate interviewer in charge of making key hiring decisions. At Amazon, I was a bar raiser, hiring across levels and functions. I was also a bar raiser mentor who certified other bar raisers into existence. Now I coach full-time to help people just like you. I've built proprietary mental models, cracking every single Amazon interview question type. I've built an AI-powered platform that scores you star responses and gives you actionable feedback. And I have placed candidates into roles across any Amazon team almost, from AWS to Alexa and from engineering to finance and ops. I'm especially excited about Amazon Bound School because for the first time ever, it brings the power of community to how I work with you. Until now, people have mostly found me through my YouTube channel and then either enrolled in my one-on-one coaching at amazonbound.today or subscribed to my self-service AI platform, Score My Interview, that scores you star responses and gives you instant feedback. I've never had the chance to work inside a live, engaged community of people who invest in themselves, help each other, and level up together. Inside Amazon Bound School, you won't just get coaching and community, you'll also get exclusive bonuses to my one-on-one services and my AI platform. So who is Amazon Bound School for? It's simple. If you want to land a job at Amazon and change your life for good, this is for you. If you have failed before and don't want to fail again, this is for you. If you are tired of watching random YouTube videos, second guessing your star stories and hoping for the best, this is 100% for you. This is the straightest line path to getting hired at Amazon and changing your life. And if you're ready to get started, I'll see you inside.